Good morning, students. I am Seema Jain from Saraswati Mandir, Rajouri Garden. Today, I will describe you the topic adjectives. What are adjectives? You must be thinking about it. What are adjectives? Adjectives are words which describes a noun or pronoun. For example, adjective answer such questions as what kind, which one, how, many. For example, if I say I like red flower, so in this sentence, which flower I like? Which color? Red. So in this sentence, red is the adjective. Now let us see some more examples. She is wearing a shiny blue track suit. Now in this sentence, which color's tracksuit she is wearing? Blue. So now suit is the noun in this sentence, tracksuit, and the adjective describes the noun is blue. So in this example, blue is the adjective and tracksuit is the noun. Let us see another example. It is a bright sunny day. So in this sentence, how is the day? Bright sunny day. So what is the adjective used in the sentence? Bright. Okay. So now there is a note which you have to keep in mind while using adjectives, that you should not use too many adjectives in the sentences. That will make a sentence absurd, or its meaning will not remain as important as when we use a single adjective to describe that particular noun. For example, in this sentence, the fierce, ugly, old, brown tiger. The sentence contains too many adjectives, due to which the importance of the tiger has been lost. So we should avoid using too many adjectives in the sentence. Now let us do again. Adjective can be used to describe color, as I told you earlier. Blue, pink, purple, brown, yellow, black. And it is also used to describe opinion. For example, good, pretty, right, wrong, funny, light, happy. It is also used to describe age. For example, he is younger than me. So in this sentence, younger is the adjective. It is also used to describe shape. For example, my mother makes a round chapati. So in this sentence, round is the adjective. It is also used to describe size. For example, big, small, long, short. I have a small pencil. So in this sentence, pencil is the noun and small is the adjectives. Now adjective can also be used to describe origin. For example, German, Malaysia. Or if I say I am an Indian, in this sentence, I is the pronoun and Indian is the adjective. It is also used to describe material, glass, metal. Temperature, for example, it is very hot today. and it is also used to describe time. For example, late, early. She comes late today. It is also used to describe distance. For example, long, short, near, far. She lives very far from me. So in this sentence, far is the adjective. Now let us do types of adjectives. The first one is qualitative, or you can say descriptive adjective. The second one is quantitative. Third one is demonstrative. And the fourth one is possessive. Fifth one is interrogative. Sixth, distributive adjective. And the seventh one is compound adjective. Let us take these types of adjectives one by one. Qualitative or descriptive adjectives. To describe the quality of a person or a thing. For example, its size, general description, age, shape, color, material, origin and purpose. The adjectives which are used to describe these type of things are called as qualitative or descriptive examples. For examples, tall, excellent, slim, young, square, plastic. If I say she is a pretty girl, now it is the quality of that girl. So in this sentence, pretty is the qualitative adjective. Now second one is quantitative adjectives. As the name suggests, quantitative is the adjectives which are used to describe, which indicates the number or the amount of things. For examples, some, much, little, enough, all, no, any, whole, several. For example, some students are absent today. So in this example, some is the adjectives which describe the amount of, or you can say number of students. Now third one is demonstrative adjectives. In these adjectives, we are used to point out the nouns. For examples, this, that, these, those. This and that is used to point out singular nouns, and these and those is used to point out plural nouns. For example, this book belongs to my friend. So this book, because there is only one book is given, so we have used the adjective this. Interrogative adjectives, which are used to ask questions. Interrogative means which are used for interrogation. For example, what, whose, where, why, how and which. Basically, WH family words are taken in the interrogative adjectives. For example, whose pen is this? Which way we shall go? Now fifth one is possessive adjectives. As the name indicates, possessive adjectives used to show possession. If I say this bag is mine, so whose bag is this? Mine. Mine is the possessive adjective in this example. Distributive adjectives. As we have seen earlier also, distributive adjectives are used to show that the persons or things are counted collectively, normally used with singular noun. The first point regarding this adjective is they are used with singular noun. For example, each one of you will get a toffee. So it is used with a singular noun. It also refers to members of a group as individuals. Just for example, each, every, either and neither. Another example is given. Each participant was asked to complete a survey. Now the last one is compound adjectives. Now what is the meaning of compound? Made up of two or more words. For example,